Hello everyone. Let's practice the pronunciation of difficult words from the story On the Face of It, written by Susan Hill. Mr. Lamb, Dairy, Lemmy Lamb, Derrick, Crab, Ladder, Kids, Shifting, Shutting, Rubbish, Shouts, Daft, Monstrous, Kisses, Toffee, Weed, Blown, In spite, Tries, Bushes, Inconvenience, Creaks, Scrump, Meantime, Buzz, Featuring, Withdrawn, Tentatively, Silken, Climbing, Creek, Draws, Ugliest, Lads, Disabilities, Impairment, Seclusion, Blinded, Indoors, Hive, Banana, Trespassing, Deaf, Fades, Jumps, Particulars, Strikes, Spider, Slams, Birdsong, Hubs, Expects, Begins, Disappointment, Dribble, Unites, Swishes, Poses, Ripe, Defiant, Alienation, Wheelchair, Weep, Cooler, Pairs, Kneels, Thump, Forgive, Donkey, Windfalls, Fits. Thank you.